Welcome to eLearnReady. Your score shows a strong preference for auditory learning. You excel through listening and verbal communication, preferring spoken presentations over reading textbooks, and often talking out loud while studying. Here are some tips to maintain and enhance your skills. Tip 1. Record lectures. Record lectures and listen to them multiple times to reinforce your understanding. Tip 2. Engage in discussions. Participate actively in class discussions and study groups to verbalize and solidify concepts. Tip 3. Use audio notes. Record audio notes and summaries of key points to review later. Tip 4. Listen to podcasts. Supplement your learning with educational podcasts and audiobooks related to your course material. Tip 5. Teach others. Explain concepts aloud to others to reinforce your understanding and retention. Keep up the great work and continue to excel. Visit eLearnReady for more tips.